At the first, what is the meaning of fractions? Fractions mean a part of whole. But what is the meaning of whole? Whole means a thing that is complete in itself. For example, here we have a pizza. This pizza is complete. All of parts are complete. So we can say it's a whole pizza. And this star is complete. All of parts is here. So we can say it's a whole star. And we can say also it's a whole one. Now, what is the equal parts and the unequal parts? If we have a circle and we divided it from the middle, if I tie this circle, it will give me equal parts. So it's equal parts. Now, I have another circle, but I divided it from any side, like this. If I tie this circle, it didn't give me equal parts, so it will be unequal parts. Here we have some shapes and we wanted to know what is the equal parts and the unequal parts. In the first shape, we have a trapezoid and we divided it from the middle. If I tie this trapezoid, it gives me what? Equal parts. Excellent. Here, in the next shape, if I divided it and tie it, it gives me equal parts. Excellent. The next one, if I tie it, it didn't give me equal parts. So it will be what, Junior 2? Excellent. It will be unequal parts. The next one, I have a triangle and I divided it to 2 equal parts from the middle. If I tie it, it will give me equal parts. Excellent. The next one will be equal or not equal? Excellent. It will be equal parts. The last one, if I tie it, it didn't give me equal, so it will be unequal parts. Now, what is the number of equal parts? Here we have a square and we divided it to how many parts? 1, 2. So we have 2 equal parts. Now we have a circle and we divided it. How many parts here? 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. We have another circle. We divided it to how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Now, how to write a fraction? If I have a circle and the circle divided to 2 equal parts, the first step to write a fraction, I will make a line. Then I will write 2 numbers, number under the line and the number above the line. The number under the line will be the total of parts I have. Here I have 1, 2. I have 2 parts. So I will write 2 under the line. And the number above the line will be the number of shaded parts. Here I have 1 shaded part, so I will write 1. So our fraction will be 1/2. Here I have another shape. The first step to write a fraction, I will make a line. Under the line, I will write the total of parts. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 parts. Above the line, I will write the total of shaded parts. Here I have 1 shaded part. Here, the first step, I will make a line. How many of total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 parts. Excellent. And now the number above the line. How many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 shaded parts. Here we have a pizza and we take one slice. What is the fraction? First, I will make a line. Under the line, I will write the total of pieces or parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 parts. And we take one slice. So I will write 1. Now, what is the unit fraction of a whole? Here we have a circle. This circle is complete, so we can say it's 1 whole. And we represented it for 1. Now we have a circle and it divided to 2 equal parts. And it's called half. And its fraction is 1/2. The next one, I have a circle and it's divided to 3 equal parts. And it's called third. And its fraction is 1/3. The last one, we have a circle and it divided to 4 equal parts. And it's called quarter. And its fraction is 1/4. Here we have some examples. How many equal parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 equal parts. And how many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 shaded parts. Our fraction is, I will make a line. Under the line, I will write the total of parts, 8. And above the line, I will write the number of shaded parts, 4. Another example. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. And how many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our fraction, the first step, I will make a line. Under the line, I will write the total of parts, 6. And above the line, I will write 5, the number of shaded parts.
Now, he gave me a shape, and it's a fraction. And he wanted to color the parts of the shape that represent each fraction. We said before that the number above the line is represented to how many shaded parts. So, we will color the parts according to the number above the line. Here we have 5 above the line. So, we will color 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. Here we have 3/4. So we will color how many junior 2? Excellent. We will color 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Another one. We have a triangle and its fraction is 1/2. So we will color how many parts, junior 2? Excellent. I will color 1 part. The last one, I have another shape and its fraction is 2/6. And I will color parts only. 1, 2.
Now, how to know the fraction of a group? Here we have some hearts. And we wanted to know the fraction of red hearts and the fraction of blue hearts. What is the first step to write the fraction? Excellent. I will make a line. Then, under the line, I will write the total of group. Here, how many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 hearts. And how many red hearts?
1, 2, 3. We have 3 hearts, red hearts. So it will be 3 over 5. The next one, the first step, I will make a line. Under the line, I will write the total of hearts. Here I have 5 hearts. And how many blue hearts? We have 1, 2. We have 2 blue hearts. So our fraction is 2 over 5.
Now Junior 2. If we look at the first circle, we divided the circle to 2 equal parts, and its fraction is 1 over 2, or half. Now, if we look at the next circle, we divided it to 4 equal parts, and its fraction is 2 over 4. But if we divided it to 2 groups, each group have 2 parts. So now we have 2 groups. So I will write under the line 2. And above the line, now we have how many groups are shaded? Excellent, we have now 1 group shaded. So we can say that 2 over 4 equal 1 over 2, or half. Another one, the next one, we divided the circle to 6 equal parts. And we have 3 shaded parts. So the fraction will be 3 over 6. If we divided the circle to 2 groups, every group or each group has 3 parts. Now we have 2 parts. And we have 1 group or 1 part is shaded. So we can also say that 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. That's called half. The last one, we divided the circle to 8 equal parts. And we have 4 shaded parts. So the fraction will be 4 over 8. And we can say also that we can divide these parts to 2 groups. Each group have 4 parts. Now we have 2 parts, and 1 group or 1 part is shaded. So 4 over 8 equal 1 over 2, half. Now Junior 2, I have a group of stars and I want to write a fraction. The first step, I will make a line. Under the line, I will write the total of stars. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 stars. Above the line, I will write how many yellow stars. Here I have 1, 2 yellow stars. If I wanted to write this fraction by another way, the first step, I will divide this group to 2 equal groups. Each group has 2 stars, like this. 1, 2. Now we have 2 groups. If we wanted to write a fraction, under the line, I will write the total of groups. I have 2 groups, so I will write 2. Above the line, I will write how many groups are yellow. Here I have 1 group is yellow, so I will write 1. So 2 over 4 equal 1 over 2, that's called half. Another example, here I have some cubes and I wanted to write a fraction. The first step, I will make a line. Under the line, I will write the total of cubes. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes. Above the line, I will write how many blue cubes.
1, 2, 3, 3 blue cubes. If I wanted to write this fraction by another way, the first step, I will divide this group to 3 equal groups. Each group has 3 cubes, like this. 1, 2, 3. Now to write a fraction, under the line, I will write the total of groups. Here I have 3 groups. Above the line, I will write how many groups are blue. Excellent, I have 1 blue group. So, our fraction will be 1 over 3. So, 3 over 9 equal 1 over 3, that's called third. Now, it's the time to do your homework. In your booklet, please. Thank you. See you next time.